Today he challenged me to do a recipe under 10 minutes with a mystery ingredient I'm going to have to add in the middle of my cooking process. Ingredients. Pasta water is boiling, we add salt. And now, our penne pasta. This is the moment where you want to start right away to make your sauce. Literally, it's gonna come all together, trust me. Put your flame on low. We start by adding the heavy cream. You do not want to overcook the heavy cream, it's not necessary. You have a piece of Parmigiano, and it's gotta be Parmigiano Reggiano, not Parmesan. Parmesan is an imposter. This is beautiful, just like you are. I don't have time to kid around. Grate your Parmigiano straight into the sauce. This kind of gradual addition of Parmigiano also helps because it's kind of letting the Parmigiano melt in stages. Go! Let's see where we go.
Sei pronta?
I'm ready, I'm ready. How am I going to cook this now? Listen, the only thing I can think of right now, Ago, thank you for this. Just, you have to quickly wash it.
Give it to me.
So I'm going to...
How much you need?
I'm gonna cut like
that
here. This, just give it a rinse, please. We've got 10 seconds. Let's hurry up. I'm gonna show you what we do with this, okay? We've got the pasta water. The pasta is like literally 3 minutes from being done. I have an idea. 1 second. Okay, put the cauliflowers in here. So, and what we are going to do to add this cauliflower, actually cut me a few more. I'm going to stick them inside the hot boiling water of the pasta. I don't have time to boil more water. And what we're doing is we're literally flash cooking them, flash boiling them in this little net here, the strainer, for like 2 minutes. We'll make a cauliflower cream of Parmigiano penne pasta. Remember, even if they're not fully cooked, they're just lightly cooked, they're even better for you. They're healthy, so you're not gonna go wrong. It's not like you're cooking raw meat here, okay? Okay, so you see, I literally flash cook them. They go inside a food processor or a blender. Oh my God. Thank you, Ago. I'm gonna add 2 large spoons of heavy cream and Parmigiano to it.
I don't know.
Okay, look at this. Just, okay, this goes in, a little bit of water. Okay, we just blended them. It took like 10 seconds. Everything going back in. This is cauliflower, a little bit of pasta, water with the starch, and the cream of Parmigiano all in.
It's so good.
I toss about this. We add salt to our sauce. Taste it. It needs to be perfectly salty. It's ready. The cream of cauliflower goes in. Now, the pasta is perfectly al dente.
Yes.
We toss the pasta in. So excited. Ago, get me a lemon. See, the pasta is ready, all under 10 minutes. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. It's the perfect amount of creaminess, but it's got a little bit of texture of the cauliflower, you know. We didn't want to blend them until they were like too fine, so a little bit of a grainy crunch to it, okay? Guys, this is challenging. It's the end. I'm even adding a little bit of an extra touch on top. The pasta is ready. We're plating it right now. Look at that cauliflower there. Oh, look at that cream. Okay, a little bit of piece of cauliflower. We're gonna stick them in like this. Oh, yes. We add some lemon zest. Make sure your lemon is clean. We just add some lemon zest on top. Look at this, it's just gorgeous. Now the brother test, maybe.
Let's do it.
This is the first time that we combine all these ingredients like that, huh? I want to know the touch of lemon. You see this? The wrong tool to eat this pasta. This pasta has cream, has that sauce. You want to grab hold of the penne and the sauce at the same time. For this, I'm allowing you to use a spoon.
I'm a spoon.
Yes! You want the cream or not? Whenever you're eating sauces that are saucy and the pasta is short, you want to use a spoon because it really allows you to incorporate a little piece of crunchy cauliflower, some penne pasta. Look at this, I'll show you exactly. And then the lemon zest. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that! Yummy!
I want to try.
Really? With the crunchiness of the cauliflower, it's got different texture going on. Under 10 minutes, it turned out to be a gourmet pasta. What can we do? What can we do? What can we not do? It's the pasta quinciano. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you can make this in under 10 minutes as well. Get your loved one to time you. Let's make it a challenge. Cauliflower lemon creamy penne pasta. You're welcome. Ring the bell. You get notified the moment a video comes out. And remember, stay absolutely extra gorgeous.